Hi, I'm Antonio. I'm from Mexico City. I am 17 years old and this is my second summer at Camp Shane. What I like about camp is that there's no way I cheat myself. So like before I used to go on diets and do like exercise and things like that, but I would always find a way to cheat myself, being like that bite won't matter or whatever, and I ended up not losing as much weight as I wanted. What I've learned at Camp Shane is that if you do the work, if you do diet and exercise, you eat healthier, it works. You can actually change how much you weigh. My favorite activity is probably hip-hop class because I don't know, it's just something different from whatever I did in Mexico. I had never tried dancing and it's pretty fun. Yes, I would definitely recommend Camp Shane to other people. Come here ready to change your life, because there's a lot of people who come here and don't really do everything they can. This camp really changes your life if you're ready for it, so get ready.